All right, we got a 2017 BMW X5. We got a windshield replacement on it. Let's get after it. I rated all the rotors because I
don't want to be back here, so I just took care of it. But I don't know, it's like
him and his son, right.
I don't like last time you were at surgery. I did or something. I saw something about that. And I was like, huh.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it's like the weird real turbo car. The Forest turbo just starts sending me death threats. It's worth less, but at the same time, it's got
Literally.
like I built it like into a wall.
Nice, man.
Huh, the fact that like you can do like imports too.
Oh yeah.
And I wanna make sure I'm like 100% fucking world. Like the like, I don't know, it's just a big electrician union, right? Yeah, the way I got to the manager at the time and was like, yo, this guy knows Joe. And I like followed him on Instagram and like we came in 2 more. I don't know if you know him by name.
You want to learn how to set a windshield?
Sure.
Okay. Good stuff, dude. Oh yeah.
Like it doesn't.
And then it should fall right in.
Does it count a long time ago too? Like,
Forward and then slide it, and then make sure you lock that.
yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Probably can get there in 40 minutes, 30 minutes.
Okay.